How to withdraw Lazada e-wallet balance to GCash. If you want to withdraw your Lazada's e-wallet balance over to GCash, it's rather quite simple to do so. What you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Lazada application. Once you launch the Lazada app, tap on the account icon from the bottom right of the screen. When you've done that, you scroll down to My Lazada Wallet. You will see your available e-balance in this case. So you have to simply make sure to tap on that particular balance. Then there you can see the withdraw button. So this will be available if you have some type of balance. In my case, I don't have any balance. But if you have, you can select withdraw and then you can simply choose GCash as your payment method. Then when you select GCash as your payment method, you will be able to withdraw your Lazada e-wallet balance to GCash. This way you can withdraw Lazada e-wallet balance to GCash. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.